go ahead and get some more clothes on. All right, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off these mirrors. I'm gonna grab my tool. I'm gonna come up here and we're gonna go ahead and remove these off. It should be fairly easily. This is one of those parts that when it went down, we're not gonna put it back on. We're gonna actually order some different ones. So we're just gonna completely remove them. I have this one off. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other side. And let's get this one taken off. Gonna do the same thing. Just have this little Allen wrench and I'm gonna put it in here and get it loose to where eventually I can just spin it off. There we go. That one was a little bit more trickier than the other side for some reason. I'm gonna keep the parts together even though we're not gonna use them, and then I'm gonna move down to this cover right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get right here where the headlight cover is. There's 2 bolts, so move these wires out of the way. Just loosen them up, it shouldn't take long, and then that, in theory, should be the last part we had to worry about for the paint. So let's just go ahead and loosen it up. Twisting this out. There we go. Almost there. And then I'll just move to the other side after I get this one out. There we go. Put down this screw. If I can get up here and do the same thing. Put this out of the way and we'll just, oh yeah, it's already starting to loosen. Of it. It's definitely coming out much quicker. There we go. It feels like it's loose. I'm gonna take this off. Oops, don't lose the washer. I'm gonna go ahead and move down here to tackle this engine guard. It looks like I have 2 bolts that are gonna be down here that I'm gonna start with, and then that way it'll hold it. This will stay in place, so I'm taking those ones off, and then just take the top ones off. So get this ratchet and turn it around. I'm gonna take this off. That one's almost off. Spin that off. And then here's the second one that I need to take off. So ratchet this one out too. Oopsie. Didn't need to do that. Yeah, maybe if I switch to my left and I can have a better grip of it. Can't use the ratchet up here, so I'm gonna have to use a wrench. Oops. Try to use that for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. We did manage to get this off. There was a couple extra pieces that it was put to, so I had to have a little bit of assistance to go ahead and be able to remove the bolts and to take everything else that was off with it. I realized this was just another little quick video of the disassembly part of the bike and me just taking some parts off, but I appreciate everybody watching. We're getting closer and closer to getting everything that we want to be able to take off and then start putting these things back on. So as always, thanks for watching and stay safe.